Hello everyone, welcome to GRE question of the day. Today we will discuss a question on lines and angles. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with one or more than one correct answer. In this question, we are given two parallel lines AB and CD, which is intersected by a common line, thus making eight angles, namely S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, we are asked to indicate which of the other seven angles is equal in value to angle S. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Now, before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answers are options 3, 4 and 7. That is angle V, angle W and angle Z. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So, in case of two parallel lines, when intersected by a common line, 8 angles are formed and there are 3 pairs of equal angles. For example, for this angle S, it will be equal to the vertically opposite angle, that is V, and also S will be equal to W, which is its corresponding angle, and W being equal to Z, since they are vertically opposite angles as well, will be equal to S as well. Thus, we get the correct answers as angle V, angle W, and angle Z. That is options 3, 4, and 7. With this, we come to an end of the solution. I hope you guys could follow it. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep studying hard. Thank you and all the best.